Kum shibanta ban plelat ikisamla bakin pentibit yaladia hagabanyo ikajingnang jing start akabayday bat ka computer. Hagasito ding jagatayo la plepat ba yakaji technology skill development training center kabadan ha Demseiniong hakanong ba Shillong. Kani kadiga job ya be ikajingnang jing start lagadayo badok nga beruspa ubana sorn na nong kendong namarklam gajingnang jing tip kam dik basup ikikon samla menta bakin poi shakiwikiway kitong jang job. Barkelong kabe ki banyak kam yo jam. Lebih keren ka kam sarkar ne ka kam shimet. Kawe gelong keme ko latip kerteng ko mikong generosi keriem ila shimek ne kasen jam kom kadak banten rong lang ka jingnang jingtip shi kon samla jong ka tanong mensong. Hai bor barit jong i ha ka bai la play ka computer center ka latip kerteng kom gaji technology skill development training center ha Demseiniong Shillong. Menteri Ketenagaan Animal Husbandry and Veterinary ubalong ru MLA ke Bentor Umkra Constituency Bah AL Hek haga santrik unaitung arajar arpusaw ulap dia kini ke Computer Center ha Demseiniong. Haga ni ke jingalang lawan bani shimbenta durang basnong ke Demseiniong uba prang warjri u director ke MSME uba RS Nongbri u assistant manager ke DIC u ER sangma bat kibai. Habakran nega jingalang uba AL Hek ulai ke jingero nega jaka jinghikai computer da ke bakado bakan nega long kesenjam ban kentiau ya ke jing start kat kum ke jok ke bamenta bakan deru kesenjam ban aikam aijam ya ki kon samla ulong ba ke teknologi ke de kebedan kam bah ha ke jok ke bamenta bat ki kon samla ke de ban buat kat kum ke jok ke bamenta kanang ban poi sha iklar luom jong ke jing job.
Time to start this program, and also I thanks the G Technology, G Cream, for taking this initiative to start this G Technology here at Demseiniong to create employment, not only to create employment, to make the employer at the same time to create employability. Thank you so much for the initiative you have taken to create more employment and more advanced technology for the benefit of our people, to developments of our states. Therefore, I really appreciate the initiative. Today we have seen that the technology, how much they had reached to the technology, and the advanced technology has changed from time to time. If you are not following with the time with the technology of today, you will be left behind. We don't want to be left behind. We have to follow with the time. Anticipating for all anything has happened. Whether we are into this business or we are in the other business or any other trade that we are taking up, we have to be anticipating for any eventuality, anything which will be happen, we have to be anticipated. Then only we can grow in our day, in our life, we can grow in our anything which we are establishing, anything which we are going to do. So today, I really appreciate both the group, both Ayushman and also from the G Technology. You are giving this kind of, imparting the knowledge of the technology to others. But I want those who are coming to take the tuition here or the training here or whatever you are going to take the classes here, take ownership. Many of us, they never take ownership. We are coming only just for the sake of learning. Neither it will help the institution, nor it will help to the person who is going to take the study here. If we don't take the ownership, we don't take the accountability, you will not going to be perfect whatever the work you are doing in life.